I'm sure you heard a lot about ChatGPT and how you may be using it for your business. In this video, I want to share how you can use it and what you should do in order to use ChatGPT with integrity. Now let's dive into ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence. First of all, ChatGPT is a wonderful tool that can definitely help you and speed up the process of copywriting, doing research, etc. But there is a big but. It doesn't mean that you can become lazy. It doesn't mean that you don't have to do your proper homework when it comes to research. It doesn't mean that you can just copy and paste. And I know many people do it, but I truly believe and I'm convinced that we need the human connection, and AI isn't able to add the meaningful, warm connection of a human being. So I use it mainly for content creation. So in this video, I'm going to share a few prompts and I'm going to show you how it works so you can use it for your business as well. So I created a few questions that may help you to create great content for your business. So the first question that I insert is this one. And of course, I'm going to talk about human design because human design is my expertise. So why is human design important? Well, there you go. ChatGPT creates a text that is definitely going to help us to create great content. So whenever I need to explain human design to people, that it is a system for self-understanding and it has several elements that make it really important and, in my opinion, crucial. Of course, I can come up with the reasons why I think it's important, but it's so wonderful to see how ChatGPT creates this text. Generators, manifesting generators, we need to wait to respond. So we need to get something and improve it, make it better, make it more beautiful. And that's what we can do. And that's why I love ChatGPT, not for just copying and pasting it, but it's really giving us great insight. So for instance, this thing alone could be a great post, it could be a video, it could be a reel, it could be basically anything. Now, here is another question that I absolutely love and that we can use. So the most heard myth about human design, there we go. But it's really interesting to have a look at, okay, what's the most common myth? And again, these are 3 topics that I could create content on. So does human design predict the future? No, it doesn't. But it can give you an insight in who you are at the core. It shows your natural strengths, your talents, your tendencies, but it doesn't predict your future, or it doesn't dictate your choices. So these are 3 posts or 3 videos, or again, 3 reels, or an article even. So this is how I use ChatGPT. Again, these are all great questions. So why do you need your expertise, top 3 mistakes, the best tip, etc. So there are all kinds of prompts and I will put them in the description so you can have a look. But this is how I use it. So I know not many new people can come into ChatGPT because it doesn't allow too many users at a time, and they are improving the system all the time. So there is a great alternative, and it's called Write Sonic. And you can access that. It's free, and you can select what kind of content you want to create. So I use it a lot for content creation, but not copy paste. And that, I think, is the most important thing, that we need it as a tool. We can use it as a tool to make our lives better and easier. But it's not like a replacement of us. So we always need the soul and the heart and the love of the person, of the individual. So I think ChatGPT is a wonderful tool, but that's all it is. It's a tool. We as humans are always important to really make the difference. So use ChatGPT, use it wisely, add your secret sauce, and woo your audience. If you like this video and you like more of my tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever there is a new video available. See you next time.